सर्वांके नमस्कार. आमगेल व्हिडिओ सगळं तुम्ही सगळं चोयता इदकुनु नमक चा संतोष असा. आमगेल ये विशेष संस्कार तुम्ही कोण विसरूपणा तुम्ही तुंगल चड्वाने ये मुकार्यन के घेन उचुका ते बेगेसल सन प्रयत्न तुम्ही घेन व्यू मात्र ने कोरका लाइक शेअर and subscribe कोरका.
Moonga Elchikeri. This is a typical non-spicy dish made with dals and a variety of veggies. Elchikeris are very popular among the Cochin GSPs and served during functions and for guests, or just because you want to relish it. So when I got some fresh banana peels, I wanted to make a tasty elchikeri with whole moong. Here is half cup of moong. You can soak it for a few hours so that it cooks quickly. After washing and adding water to cook, also add half cup of chopped banana peel, half cup of chopped moong, elephant foot yam. Now to pressure cook this till soft. Add a pinch of salt to aid cooking quickly. Here is the well cooked moong. Now I am taking 1 cup of grated coconut, adding 3/4 to the mixer jar and retaining a quarter of it. Add just 3 small red chilies and a little haldi. Now grind to a smooth paste. Add the cooked moong in a kadai or pan. Add the ground masolo and the water after cleaning the mixer jar. Add water to adjust consistency according to how thick you need it. Remember, it thickens after cooling. Now bring this to a boil. And simmer for a few more minutes. Then switch off. Add salt to for tempering. Splatter a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Then add a teaspoon of jeera and then some curry leaves. Now add the remaining grated coconut and roast till brown on slow flame. Add this to the curry and keep covered for some time. Now mix well. And serve hot with rice. As always, like, share and subscribe.